Mela 2025 is gearing up to welcome millions of devotees by merging ancient traditions with cutting-edge technology. Known as the Digital Mahakumbh, this event will introduce several tech-driven initiatives designed to enhance safety, streamline operations, and enrich the spiritual experience of over 40 crore attendees from January 13 to February 26. Here is how Mahakumbh is going high-tech this time. Digital railway tickets streamlining travel. The Prayagraj Railway Division will roll out digital ticketing for Mahakumbh 2025. Special railway staff will wear green jackets with QR codes to help pilgrims download the UTS app for easy ticket booking, bypassing long queues. Additionally, color-coded tickets will be issued to passengers based on their travel direction, ensuring smoother operations. AI surveillance enhancing safety. Safety is a priority with over 50,000 security personnel supported by AI tools and advanced surveillance systems. The Integrated Command and Control Center, that is ICCC, will monitor the event using AI-powered cameras, drones and robotic bios, enabling real-time responses to emergencies and crowd management. Google Maps integration for navigation. In partnership with Google, key landmarks at Mahakumbh Nagar will be integrated into Google Maps, including ghats, toilets, food courts and emergency services. This marks the first time that such technology will be used on this scale for an event of this magnitude. Multilingual chatbot, bridging language gaps. To assist the global influx of visitors, the state government has introduced the Bhashini app. This multilingual chatbot will support 11 languages, helping officials communicate with pilgrims from diverse linguistic backgrounds, ensuring a hassle-free experience. AI-powered lost and found system. The Mela Authority has set up the 1920 Center, which is an AI-driven lost and found system to reunite separated pilgrims with their families. Digital registration and advanced photo matching technology will help track missing individuals, while children will be cared for at a dedicated toy center. Biometric attendance for police personnel. The Uttar Pradesh Police will implement biometric attendance to streamline operations, replacing paper records with a digital system for accurate tracking. With 50,000 personnel deployed, this system will ensure smooth management and accountability throughout the event. Therefore, by embracing these technological advancements, Mahakumbh 2025 aims to redefine the future of large-scale religious gatherings, ensuring safety, efficiency, and seamless operations for millions of devotees.